How to increase TD Bank credit card limit. The first things first is you'll have to log in to your TD Bank account. Now, I'm currently using my laptop for this tutorial, and then I'm using Google Chrome. If you're using any preferred web browser, that's fine. Just simply go ahead to the tdbank.com's official website, and then you'll just have to log into your account. Now from here, there is actually no feature or option for us to automatically just click it, and then we can increase our credit card limit. Now, this method is allowing us to have a request or to submit a request to increase our credit card limit. Now again, log into your account, navigate to your credit card, select manage card, and then select request credit card limit increase option from the list. Now if you have multiple credit cards, then you'll just have to select the card you'd like to request a credit limit increase, and then enter your details to continue, and then accept the TD Bank credit limit increase terms and conditions to submit your information and receive details regarding your request for a new credit limit. Now again, you'll just have to wait for the TD Bank customer service to get back to you once the increase was successful. So that's it. That's how easy and quick you can increase your TD Bank credit card limit.